Hello everybody, this is Rogal from Studyteck, and in this video I'm going to talk about the history of Photoshop. What is Adobe Photoshop and why it's so important? As you may know, it's a software that is used to make better pictures like in magazines or to make imagination come through in picture and etc. Okay, now it's time to know its history. In 1987, Thomas Knoll was a PhD student at the University of Michigan, where he was studying engineering. Thomas, who was interested in photography, much like his father, wrote a small subroutine for a program on his father's Apple II Plus that allowed him to translate macrochromatic image to a grayscale on his monitor. After working on the program for a while, Thomas created several processes that apply various effects to images on the screen. While Thomas was studying at the university, John Knoll, his brother, was working on special effects at the George Lucas Industrial Light and Magic. When he saw that Thomas had created on his father's Apple, he told Thomas that he should turn his program into a full-fledged image editor. John and Thomas began to work together on the application. By utilizing Thomas' programming expertise and John's designing experience, the two brothers improved on the initial application, and in 1988 they released a piece of software called Image Pro. Within just a few months of completing the software, the two brothers had managed to form a partnership with a company named Braniscan Manufactures and sold scanners, and they decided to purchase 200 copies of Thomas and John's image editing software to ship with their scanners. Following the partnership, Thomas and John sought further partnership with other companies, but unfortunately most turned them away. A few months later, the two brothers managed to win over Adobe executive and form a partnership that would see them release Image Pro under the Adobe brand name. In February 1990, Adobe released Adobe Photoshop 1.0. This was the beginning of something big. Several updates come after that. And as we know all how Photoshop is big. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from it.